120.
Am I being detained?
I'm making a suspicious stop. Yeah.
Okay. So do you know that Terry, Ohio says you must have reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime?
I do have reasonable. I do have articulable suspicion.
What's articulable?
Dude, you're wearing a mask, sunglasses, and you're recording me.
Do you know that there's a
6 hours of the paperwork? I know what you're trying to do. You're trying to get bait into an arrest. I'm not going to arrest you.
Bait into an arrest? That ain't what I'm trying to do. That ain't what I'm trying to do.
You cannot stand over her desk. If you want to stay here,
so by you even saying that, that's telling me you're
the nursing home. This isn't public.
No,
You need to go.
New York City Health and Hospitals isn't public.
Sir.
Please don't yell at me.
You need to go.
If they ask you to leave, and you gotta go.
Why would they ask me to leave a public building?
They ask you to leave, you gotta go now.
You asked me for my ID. Are you a police officer?
Do I need to get the police?
Off.
You can off too and head off the
Have a nice
Who
day.
the f are you? I need names from both of you.
Have a nice
and
day.
who you work for.
You can get off the property now, sir.
You just
You've been trespassed.
Just hear me. I heard you, breath.
On a quiet street, an ordinary citizen is suddenly confronted by multiple officers, just for filming a public building. The exchange quickly escalates as he declares, "I have the right to film, I have the right to remain silent, and I don't have to show ID unless suspected of a crime." From that moment, a tense standoff unfolds, exposing the fragile line between civil rights and police authority.
Can I get your name and badge number before we proceed with this conversation?
Sure, I'm Officer Maynard with the Belton Police Department, badge number 118.
Okay.
What's going on today?
Can I get a business card? How do I know that's a real cop car?
Really?
Yeah, really. You'd be surprised. People got money, you're in a nice neighborhood, wealthy people, they can buy stuff like this. You can buy
a full police car decked out, all lights, sirens. I can also.
You can. I can buy a body cam online. I can buy that online.
Can I ask you what's going on today?
Sir, I don't have to answer that. Now, before we continue our conversation.
Where you coming towards me?
I'm not coming towards you. I'm walking over here.
You have any ID on you?
Am I being detained? Am I being detained? Am I being...
Do you have any ID on you?
What's your name and badge number, sir?
I'm Carrillo, right here.
And what's
badge
badge?
number 120.
Am I being detained?
I'm making a suspicious stop. Yeah.
Okay. So do you know that Terry, Ohio says you must have reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime?
I do have reasonable. I do have articulable suspicion.
What's articulable?
Dude, you're wearing a mask, sunglasses, and you're recording me.
Do you know that there's a virus being spread around too? Yeah.
Okay.
I have the right to take pictures. It's my First Amendment right. I have the right to wear whatever I want.
I have the right to ask on a reasonable suspicious stop.
You're
on a military installation.
So that's not illegal, sir. That's not illegal. And not at all.
Okay.
I have the right to take pictures. It's my First Amendment right. I have the right to wear whatever I want.
I have the right to ask on a reasonable suspicious stop.
You're on a
military installation.
So that's not illegal, sir. That's not illegal. And not at all.
Okay.
I have the right to take pictures. It's my First Amendment right. I have the right to wear whatever I want.
I have the right to ask on a reasonable suspicious stop.
You're on
a military installation.
So that's not illegal, sir. That's not illegal. And not at all. Get your supervisor out here before you make any irrational decisions.
Trying to identify you as an irrational decision?
Right now, you guys are surrounding me, and it's like I can't be free to leave. So
you're not free to leave.
So I'm not being. So I'm not
ascertain as to who you are.
Am I being detained then?
Did I say you were detained?
All right then. I'm gonna continue what I'm doing. And you can go on somewhere.
I don't have to go on anywhere.
I guess
you don't have the right to tell me what to do at all.
Actually, I do, because you get paid by taxpayer dollars.
No, you're not.
Yes.
You're not in my chain of command. So let's get that straight right now. We're not going to play this with you, okay?
Are you okay, sir?
I'm perfectly fine. Are you okay?
Did you have anything to drink today, sir? Anything to drink?
I don't drink.
You don't drink? That's good.
Drink was in what? What are you referring to? Because I don't drink alcohol.
Okay.
Do you drink?
Answer the question. This dude surround me. Oh, you good?
Don't walk on my sergeant.
I'm not walking, but I have to go this way. So, how you doing, sir? How you doing?
What's going on today?
What's your name and badge number?
What's going on today?
What's your name and badge number?
You can see it. You're recording it. Read
Well, I can't. I don't want to get too close to you because I'm gonna get over here, guys. Sir, am I being detained? Am I being detained?
At this point, he is refusing to identify himself.
I don't have to identify unless I'm suspected of a crime.
Okay. So my question for you, sir.
And I'm gonna walk around you. So you stop me.
I need you to stand by and just answer some of my questions.
I don't have to answer questions, sir. See, I'm surrounded by 3 cops. I'm not doing nothing illegal at all. This is my constitutional right.
That's what we're trying to determine. The folks here at the Army Reserve Center expressed concerns that you're out here recording. This is a sensitive area.
Okay, and
so of course your presence here recording causes concern for them. That's why we're here to contact you. That's all we're doing is contact you about the concerns that
Okay.
they raised.
If they're concerned about a camera, they should get a different job. This is a real man's job. You see the Army base? That's a real man's job. They're not real men and women if they're afraid of a camera.
Well, they don't know what your intentions are. And that's what their concern is. They don't know what your intentions
Well, unfortunately, they'll never know. I'm not being detained. Am I being detained? Am I being detained, sir? If you don't say I'm not being, if you don't say, if you don't answer,
your questions.
well, am I free to leave? I'm gonna walk around you then if I'm free to leave. Am I free to leave? If you don't answer,
What's your name, please?
I don't answer questions, sir. Am I being detained?
You don't answer questions.
No, I don't. Not doing anything wrong, am I?
I didn't say you were, did I?
All right, so I'm gonna walk around you. Can I walk around you? I'm gonna walk around you, man. I'm not gonna, you can turn around, see y'all cool.
So who are you?
That's none of your business, sir.
It is my business.
No, it's not. You're my business now
Okay.
because you're funded by taxpayers. So I'm gonna ask the question I asked him. Did you have anything to drink today? Did you drink any alcohol? Did you smoke anything today?
You're not the investigator. You're not in charge.
Well, unfortunately, I have the right to answer those questions.
Oh, so am I being detained?
I'm not law enforcement. I'm just asking
So
questions,
you're
man.
free to leave at any point in time. Is that correct?
You said if I'm free to leave, I'll leave, but I have the right to stand here too, though. So I can do whatever I want. I'm not being.
You're on a public sidewalk.
See? Thank you.
So you're remaining on site is at your own discretion.
That's right. I can do whatever I want, sir, as long as I don't violate anybody's rights or break any laws, which I have not done.
Okay.
That's sad that people would call the cops for a man exercising his constitutional rights.
Well, they don't know what you're doing.
Well, I don't know what you guys be doing either, but you see, that's not their business.
Places like this get attacked by people who have ill intention on them. That worries them.
A lot of things. Look how tall he is compared to this cop. You see this cop? Look at the size difference here. Tall guy, short guy. I just had to show that real quick.
So do you identify as a constitutionalist?
Whatever makes you feel comfortable, sir.
Okay.
I just don't like the way that they rode up on me. I don't like the way they rode up on me. And I don't like the way you guys rode up on me.
This is their place.
This is the sidewalk, though.
Yeah, but that over there is their place.
That's taxpayers' place, though. I have the right. If I wanted to, I could step on that property. It's funded by taxpayers.
Okay, that's a federal reservation.
Funded by taxpayers. The federal government's funded by taxpayers. Instead of coming out here and asking me politely, which they should have did, they were disrespectful, and I would have told them what I was doing, but they're disrespectful.
Which is all I've done since I got here.
Well, unfortunately, they ruined it for you guys.
They ruined it for me, so you're going to lump us all in one basket.
Yep, pretty much.
I believe that's the definition of prejudice. Please.
Let's see what he got to say. I am currently live streaming. I've been out here live streaming all throughout this encounter. This is what they call me. And guys, I hope you guys have an education on the Constitution. Okay, that's what you need. Guys need to be focused on. And you should study. If you're the main guy in charge, you should be teaching your officers that it's constitutionally right to film on public sidewalks and film government buildings. So, and I'm saying that, and I'm not saying you is. But the way you came at me earlier, you were trying to stop me from leaving, and I didn't like that at all.
You don't know who you are. You refuse to identify yourself. I don't know if you're a wanted felon. I don't know if you're armed. I don't know anything about you.
That's part of life, man. It's a lot of mysteries in life. It's a lot of mysteries. See, I don't know if you guys. I don't know how much you guys make. I don't know if you're wanted. I don't know I don't know what your real names are. I don't know if you guys are real officers. I don't know. You may look real. But like I told that officer, you guys can buy these sort of things online. This can be bought at a car auction. These lights can be bought online. These uniforms can be bought online or actually custom made. So I don't know if you guys are real officers either. It's a lot of mysteries, man. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to solve them all today. So,
Do you feel okay?
huh?
Do you feel okay?
I'm terrified of you guys right now. You guys, the way y'all came up on me.
You're free to leave at any point in time if our presence causes you concern.
I would rather stand here too.
You do.
We can do this all day. I got all the time in the world. Well, actually, I only got today, but can't say I have all the time in the world because I'm not, I'm a little bit older. Being old, sometimes you gotta pressure, you gotta value time. You know how that drive? You know how he's driving like that white car right here? He went over that yellow line right there, and he went right how like he is right here. That's how he did it. Yeah. So I mean.
So is that something you want to show me or what?
Unfortunately, I will not turn off my camera because I don't feel safe to do that. You might attack me or something, man. And I don't know. But that truck he was illegally driving. So give me your business card and I can show you. And I can send. Nah, I ain't about to turn this off, man. I ain't about to turn this off. Hey, I gotta be for sure, man. You know, people buy uniforms, man. They buy uniforms. They can buy all these things online if you think about it. So, I don't know, personally. I'm gonna back up a little bit from you guys, though. I don't like the way you guys are standing.
Are you feeling okay today, guy?
I'm being detained.
Did I say you're being detained? Why do you keep saying that?
Because I have the right to say that. I have the right to talk how I want.
Well, I mean, so what? Just asking you, do you feel okay?
I feel good, man. I feel great.
Feel good?
I feel
you
great.
mentioned something about some virus thing. That's not normal protection, and it doesn't protect you against any kind of virus. It's just a face mask to reduce breathing so you can increase your lung capacity. So I'm just asking, do you feel okay?
I'm cool. I'm chilling,
Other
man.
than trying to conceal your face as to who you are, which I kind of get why you would do. Just wanting to know. Feeling okay?
I'm
day for
good.
you today?
Do you feel okay?
I'm fantastic.
Oh, that's good,
I am
man.
blessed.
I'm happy that you feel okay. I'm happy that you cool, man. Do you feel okay? Are you sick?
We're okay. Am I sick?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, let's hope you don't get that virus that's being spread around.
Oh my gosh, there's so much confusion and pandemonium about this virus. I don't know. I'm
Yeah.
not a doctor, so I don't know. But I don't have it.
That's a good thing, man. I'm happy.
I'm happy too. It's a good day.
That's
A
right.
lot to be blessed about.
That's right. It's a lot to be blessed about, man.
So, what's so interesting that you want to take pictures of the Reserve Center? It's just a drab building. There's much more better sights.
When you exercise your rights, that's all I do.
And that's like a Beastie Boys song, but I was just saying what was so interesting about it that you'd want to take pictures.
There's like it's something interesting about you guys coming up here, man.
Well, you concern them.
And you gotta understand, if they're concerned about a cameraman, they shouldn't be working here.
What they're concerned about is a guy in a hoodie and a face mask with sunglasses on where the sun's not shining and sitting here and doing out of the normal things. That's enough to be concerning for most people.
I can see if I was physically doing something to them, it'd be different. But I'm not doing anything wrong,
You
sir.
don't have to physically be doing something for someone to be nervous or scared and ask the police to come check on that individual. How you perceive yourself, how you push yourself off, and you know, if they feel some kind of way towards what you're doing, they have the right, just like you had the right to sit here and talk and take pictures, they have the right to sit here and say, hey, can you check on this individual? Why is he here?
Well, you guys did a good
So that's what we're here to do.
You guys already did that, so.
Well, I mean, we don't know who you are, so I don't know why you're here except for wanting to take pictures. That's why I was asking. Do you feel okay? Is everything okay? It's
I'm
just a
chilling,
drab
man.
building,
I'm
so
chilling.
What are we so excited about it?
I'm chilling, bro. I ain't gonna answer that. I ain't gonna answer that question, though, man. I have the right to answer any questions, sir. So I'm gonna refrain from doing that.
No one's saying that you have to answer anything just yet. I'm asking you what's so special about it.
But what you mean just yet? I don't have to answer any questions at all. Even if I was lawfully arrested, I still have the right to remain silent.
Well, that's true. That's true. That's absolutely true. But I still don't see anything special about that building.
Yeah, you know what, man? Just because what you can't see don't mean what I can see. We are two different people, man. I'm a lot more fit than you, but, you know, that's part of life.
You know, that's your opinion. I bet I run faster. I bet I can bench more. I bet I can lift a hell of a lot more than you can.
I highly doubt that, man. But
I absolutely know that.
I highly doubt that.
I
man.
bench over 500. I bet you're nowhere close to that.
You got your weight to support that, though, man. But you know
I
what?
2 miles under 15 minutes. I don't think you can do that.
Hey, you never know, man. You never know what a human body can do.
Absolutely. That's why you think that you're better fit than I am.
I'm more muscular.
I understand.
I'm more muscular.
No. No.
Oh, man, that's funny.
No, not at all. I mean, but you're entitled to that opinion.
Yeah.
I appreciate that.
I give him full honesty, man.
I mean, you're skinnier than I am.
Yeah?
But you're nowhere near. No. I appreciate that. Thank you. You made me feel good today.
Hey, that's the whole goal, man. You feel better, and I hope you go home feeling better today, man.
I hope you feel better.
I am feeling good.
Still just an ordinary building.
Make sure my mask stays on.
You understand why we were called, yes? I just want to review that you understand why we
I'm sure. I'm completely sure why you were called.
Okay. And other than that, I got nothing for you unless you have questions for me.
Not really. Oh, yeah, I do. No, I don't. I don't have no questions. You have a good day.
You too.
Goodbye. Stay safe out here, man, and try not to violate anyone's rights, all right?
You do the same.
That's right. I will.
81 over there?
That means go over there and then watch.
This encounter highlights a crucial truth. Filming on a public sidewalk and recording government buildings is a protected right under the First Amendment. Citizens are not required to present ID unless there is reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime. This is the line between civil liberties and police authority. The lesson is clear. Know your rights, remain calm, and never let the presence of law enforcement intimidate you into surrendering your lawful freedoms. At a government office, a citizen walks in to exercise his lawful right, filing a FOIA request and documenting the process on camera. Almost immediately, he's met with resistance from employees who insist they don't want to be recorded. What starts as a routine visit quickly escalates into a heated exchange, raising a critical question. Do citizens truly have the right to film inside a public building?
Oh, wow. Talk to the police officer.
They're here.
Did you call, please?
No, she is here.
Officer. Yeah, that's all. I just wanted to know your name and badge number.
Summer 116.
Appreciate it. For sure. So, yeah, man.
You be a real business here?
Yeah, I'm gonna get him on this.
Okay, gotcha.
What's going on, officer?
I'm gonna help you out. You want a FOIA request, right?
Yeah, they said they didn't have it. So,
You talked that over here?
yeah. So I just told her I'll fill it out on this blank sheet, like I always do. So
Well, no, but I told them that they, and here, it's not every day people come here asking for a FOIA request, all right? So,
Right.
All right, so just give them some time. They're gonna get their the FOIA information for you, and then once you get the information, you can send that away.
Yeah, it's cool. I mean, basically, their whole problem was me recording, though. It wasn't the FOIA.
I got you.
So, but did you let them know?
Yeah. They're doing it right now.
No, I'm saying, did you let them know what I'm doing in terms of recording was constitutional protection?
We're in public with notification of privacy.
There you go.
You're recording me, I'm recording you.
Right. Well, I know you don't have a problem with it, officer, but they do.
But here, once you get your FOIA information, okay, at that time they're going to ask you to leave.
Yeah, of course. After I'm filling out, though.
She said, sir, can you not step on my desk? She said that can you escort him off the property for you to get his information, and she will forward that information to him.
Can she send it now so we can have it?
Miss Anita?
You say write it down with that?
Yeah, here's the
Right down.
officer.
What you mean?
So, can you give him the FOIA, the website or whatever it is, so he has the proper copy of the FOIA?
It's not a website. That information normally we're sharing with people who we know are reserved. He has not identified himself.
And I'm not obligated. I'm not obligated to.
No, I get that. Well,
Yeah.
I get that, but if you give him the blank FOIA form or the website so he can put his information on that,
I don't
you want to leave your contact information with him?
I mean, like I say again, I'm gonna fill out a FOIA. I'm gonna turn it into them for a stamped received copy. They can forward it over to their public information officer, and they'll contact me.
Okay.
That's how it goes in the state of Illinois in terms of the law.
I get that. Trust me, I understand what you're saying.
Yeah.
I've filled out FOIAs before.
Yeah, so she's just misinformed. I'm not asking for private records. I'm asking for public records.
I know exactly what you're doing.
For sure.
So I'm trying to get you that information right now. She's telling you right now, if you give her a contact, she can contact you and provide you that all information. I understand you and I, from our experience, like, well, there's another way to do it. But if you really want to file a FOIA request,
right.
If I was in your shoes, which I have been in before, I would give them my contact information so they can easily, reasonably contact you, get you that information, so you can file your FOIA request to see if it's going to be granted or denied. And if it's denied, you can take it to the next step.
Right. So I understand what you're saying. I do these all the time. Do these all over the country.
I know what you're doing.
So my thing is this, real quick. I have to file 2 FOIAs. She's making a public record right now with her phone, so we have to file a FOIA for that video.
Okay, so at this time, again, I've given you guys, you guys need another 5 or 10 minutes because he's requesting it. What he's going to do is he's going to leave here and say you failed to provide him the FOIA information.
Right, which is a violation.
It
is. It will be.
You got to be finished, man. I'm working out for your rights. I'm actually trying to say what I'm saying.
Oh, okay. You're trying to let them know. Oh, okay.
He may or may not be right. What I'm telling you. So if you want to try providing him some type of digital or physical FOIA, even if you just get a blank one, that's what he wants.
I got it right here, though. Yeah. That's why I keep telling you. That's a blank sheet. That's correct. Sheet, okay. Right. So I can fill it out on here.
What I'm trying to tell you is I'm trying to get you a digital, kind of like you got up on the internet, or a physical FOIA form for them so you can fill it out.
Oh, that's cool.
They don't have it right now. They're trying to have you contact the person on the phone who will give it to you.
Right, that's great. But see, this is what I'm trying to tell you.
Want that FOIA?
Summers it is,
yeah,
right?
but you have to let me finish. You have to let me finish.
And then you're going to allow me to spend it?
Absolutely.
Okay, great.
Do you want the FOIA contact information?
I don't need it.
Okay.
All I need is a blank sheet like I got right here. Fill it out, because in the state of Illinois, there's no standard form even required. That's why we can fill it out on a blank sheet. Once I'm done filling this out, I will hand it back to them. They'll stamp receive it. Then my day will be done.
Go, my man, fill it out. Go ahead.
I'm just gonna.
Can you use your table to fill that out?
He can go to the back.
Sure, I'll come with you, man.
That's all right. I'll stand up right here. That's cool.
No, you're going to go to the back. This is my private area.
That's her
That's
desk.
all
Yeah,
I'm
but
asking.
I'll go with you over here.
No, I'm gonna stand right here because that's cool. No one's here now. I don't want them to give me any directives at this point. They called the cops. They heightened the situation. This is unnecessary.
It's not being recorded.
It's heightened though. They called the cops first.
We can de-escalate the situation reasonably.
We're trying to.
She just wants you to use her desk. I can't talk about it right now. So if you want to go fill that out over here or downstairs and come back up, I'll stay with you.
No, it's all good. You don't. That's what I'm saying. You guys shouldn't even have to.
Well, we're here now, so we have to until this de-escalates, like you said.
Right.
We're not going anywhere. So I would love to help you out.
I know you guys can't be here all day like I can.
Let him use your desk. He's gonna finish his form and then he's gonna leave us.
Okay, now what did you say, Miss Anita?
There you go. So for your record, I'm getting my record.
I tried to give him the phone.
What is that exactly?
FOIA. This is a FOIA records request. This is the document that she's provided you now. It's on my record. It's also on your record too. I want you to have that, so you know you can put that.
Oh yeah, that's just a website to go to. I don't need the website.
Well, that's for you for you. So now she's provided you access to receive FOIA records from this institution.
Yeah, I don't need it though.
Is there anything else you need? Well, if that's what you want, what you're
She's trying to say something. This is the supervisor.
Well, go ahead, hon.
Okay, sir. Okay, he is disturbing the peace at our location.
Absolutely not.
Can we move him down to the first floor or someplace else? He's disturbing my staff and the public if we have any customers waiting there.
Once he finishes his form, we'll escort him off the property. I'm going to finish his form.
The police officer.
Okay.
Go ahead. Do what you have to do.
I don't need to be rushed, officer. The Supreme Court has already ruled time, place, and manner. As long as this place is open to the public, I can be here.
I got you.
8:30 to 5 p.m. See that?
Can you ask them to go to the first floor until the situation is resolved?
I think she took my papers. Okay, can you go back there? I
See, I know she's arguing with breach of peace and sort of conduct, but
I'm definitely within my rights.
reasonable. Here,
It's reasonable.
You want to stay here for 6 hours and do paperwork? I know what you're trying to do. You're trying to get baited into an arrest. I'm not going to arrest you.
Bait into an arrest? That ain't what I'm trying to do. That ain't what I'm trying to do.
You cannot stand over her desk. If you want to stay here for 6
So by
hours,
you even saying that, that's telling me you're trying to be a tyrant.
you're
Man.
not the first guy to come to Chicago to do what you're doing right now.
Exactly. So it's about
Law
rights.
enforcement knows exactly what you're doing. You have all the time you want until business hours close. Do whatever paperwork you have to do.
Then you swear an oath to uphold the Constitution, sir?
I'm doing it right now.
No, you're not. By telling me I'm trying to bait you guys. Why would I want you to arrest me?
It is what it is. So here.
Why? That doesn't make any sense.
We're gonna hang out with you, but your paperwork, man. So if you want to search your paperwork, go ahead.
I'm definitely going to, man. I just don't need to be rushed. And again, I just want to point this out to you guys.
I'm gonna point this. Let's start your paperwork.
8:30, 5 p.m.
I know, dude. We've been
Oh,
through this.
Supreme Court has ruled. I can be here till 5 p.m. I'm just letting you know. Why you guys hanging around?
You have no expectation of privacy in a public place.
I'm asking you though,
Again, what's wrong with me staying here?
because that ain't your job description.
Chicago Heights. I'm making sure the peace is staying.
If you was right, you would tell them what I'm doing is constitutionally protected. You would get back to work, man.
Keep me the peace, my friend.
Okay.
I want to make sure you're able to fill out your FOIA request by 5 p.m. It is now. I don't even know the time right now. Time's 12:22 p.m.
12:22. So we're gonna be here for 5 hours, I guess.
Take your time.
Okay. Well, okay. I'm gonna try to make that point, man.
That's all. You need
There
to
she
do.
go.
That's all. That's all there is to it. Okay. Okay.
Y'all want to go get her? Wanna go get the supervisor for me? I need her name, so I can write it down. She took a personal picture of me with her phone, so I need to write it down. If you want to, you guys want to be a help and go get her name or no?
See, if she wants to know her name, she can.
No. I'm just saying. Can you ask her?
They said no. So
Oh, you asked her already?
they said no. They provided your.
Oh wow.
They gave you the thing. So continue your FOIA.
I am. I'm going to. Officer, I didn't get your name and badge number, sir.
Officer Monteria.
Monteria?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
So you're
Oh, they still
Good
there,
luck to you,
man.
man.
Oh man, I thought y'all was gone already, man.
No, good luck. Good luck. You're here until 5 o'clock, man. It's good.
Are y'all good? But did y'all let them know?
Yes, sir.
We all good. Don't leave this guy alone. Let him record. Let him exercise his rights.
This hallway, you're good here. This is her desk, obviously. That's your hallway. That's your desk over there. That's their office. It's all good.
We all good,
Yeah, good luck to you, man. Take your time with whatever you got to do. all
man,
right?
for sure, man. Hey, don't try to impede on nobody else's rights, Summer.
No, I'm trying to help everybody.
All right.
This encounter proves once again that citizens have the right to film and hold government accountable inside public buildings. This right is protected under the First Amendment, and no one can deny it simply because they don't want to be recorded. Likewise, filing a FOIA request is a powerful legal tool to demand transparency from public institutions. The lesson is clear. Know your rights, exercise them lawfully, and never allow personal objections to overshadow your constitutional freedoms. At a New York healthcare facility, a citizen walks in with his camera rolling. He's simply recording in a public area, but immediately faces pushback from staff and security. They cite HIPAA, insisting that filming is a violation. The auditor quickly fires back, arguing that HIPAA protects medical records, not faces in public. What follows is a heated clash over the fine line between lawful recording rights and misinterpreted restrictions.
No, this is not an emergency room.
Is this the main hospital?
It's not a hospital.
What is this?
It's a nursing facility.
No, I'm saying there's a Governor Hospital.
Around the corner is the clinic. This is two separate parts. That's all about.
Does the clinic have an emergency room?
No.
So it's not an actual medical center?
No. It's like clinics, like if you want an appointment or something like that.
Okay. All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Because you can't be recording.
How
Do you
come?
need help with something?
No.
Okay, so are you trying to go to the other side?
No. I'm just recording.
No, but you can't come in and just record. It's either you're here to
Why not?
visit. Are you here to visit?
I'm here to record.
Central, can you turn so please?
They did not consult an astrologer.
Oh, I'm in the route.
25 ICU stations.
Did you call your supervisor?
Yeah, you need help? Or
I told you already, I'm recording.
But you can't just come in here and just record.
Why not? Did somebody tell you that, or are you just making that up?
Not making it up.
So why would you say that?
Because what are you recording for?
So what or not?
No.
So
He's
what
gonna
are you
help
saying?
you.
I don't need nobody's help. I told you already.
He came in. I said this is an emergency room, but I can just record it.
Yeah. Were you just at Roberto Clemente?
What's your name?
Were you just at Roberto Clemente?
I'm not in the mood to answer any questions.
All right. But you can't be recording in the medical facility, though.
Why do you say that?
HIPAA violation.
That's not true.
Yeah.
It's not true.
Patient.
Do you know what HIPAA protects?
Yeah, medical records.
Right. You see any medical records out here?
Some people don't want to show their face. They don't want
HIPAA doesn't protect people's faces.
to, it does.
Not in public.
This is in the public
HIPAA protects
This
the
is a skilled nursing home.
HIPAA
is on the other
HIPAA
side.
protects the doctors from taking pictures of the patients, not the public
Not
taking
doctors,
pictures in
everyone.
public. No, that's not true.
Yeah.
Search it. Google if HIPAA protects people's faces in public. Because if I was on the sidewalk, I could record everybody's face that walks in and out this building. Is that protected by
Could I ask you
HIPAA?
why you're recording?
And I can't violate HIPAA because I'm not HIPAA trained. I'm not HIPAA certified. You know who can violate HIPAA?
I'm notifying
The
you right now.
doctors. I can't violate
I'm
HIPAA.
notifying you right now.
Only people that can violate
You
HIPAA
could
is the
violate.
doctors. No, I can't.
You could.
No, I can't.
Everyone's.
No, I'm not HIPAA certified or trained.
Could I
So
ask
how
you
am
why
I
you're
going?
recording?
You can ask me why, but I tell you I don't feel like answering any questions. I'm just peacefully exercising my rights in a public area,
Could I ask you to leave?
which is protected. You can ask me anything. You can ask me to smack myself.
Are you gonna leave?
I'm conducting business. Are you
What's your
denying me?
business here?
You see, I'm taking pictures and videos of the wall, the paintings. And did you know that there's a Right to Record Act? That's a law that says that I can record peace officers in the course of their duties
Record me all you want. Just don't record
from
the building.
public.
Don't record the building.
The building's public.
No, it's not a public. This is not. I'm telling you right now.
It's
this is not
privately
public.
owned?
Yes.
So,
This side, this is what I was
so
trying
New
to
York
explain.
City Health and Hospitals is private?
It's two different sides.
Really? The city's private?
This is a skilled nursing home.
New York City is private? I thought New York City was public.
It's two different sides.
This is New York City. You're New York City Health and Hospitals Police. You think they're gonna put New York City Health and Hospitals Police in a private facility? Why would they put public employees in a private facility?
It's still a private facility.
No, it's past this point. It's
We're
private,
public workers, but this is a private
and this is a
facility.
public lobby. No, it's not. It's a publicly owned facility. It's funded by taxpayers. It's owned by the city, by the public. I'm not going anywhere I'm not allowed to be.
Call PD.
Yeah. What are they gonna do? But you're a peace officer. You don't know?
No, I told you already. I told you
What did you
everything.
tell me?
Either you're gonna leave it yourself, or you're gonna be escorted out.
Why would they escort me out?
I informed you, you can't be recording here.
Why not?
You have no business.
Why not?
You have no business.
I told you
here.
my business
You're
multiple
not visiting.
times.
You're not working here. You have no business here. You're just recording. So
Did you know
right
that?
now you're
Did you know that?
trespassing.
No, I'm not.
And then, you know,
In public?
I've
I'm
informed-
trespassing
you're
in
not
public?
This is a lobby, right?
What? A private lobby or a public lobby?
This is a private lobby.
It's a
the
public
public
lobby.
is on the other side. This is the two buildings. You're in the public side right now. A private side right now.
This isn't private. The public can come and gather information
I'm
here.
telling you, this is the private side.
If I want to come get information on how I
You have
can
no
send a
business here.
family member here, I can do that.
Yeah, but you don't have to.
You're just lying on camera.
I don't care.
Oh, the camera will show multiple times I stated my business. Multiple times.
you refuse
I did.
to
I said I'm
say your
recording.
business.
and I'm recording a peace officer in the course of their
Point
duties.
that at me all day.
Yeah, I'm protected right now.
Yeah, but you physically being here is trespassing right now.
No, it's
I
not.
informed you.
How did I get in? Was it locked, or was I able to walk right in?
Any building you can walk right in.
No, well,
Doesn't mean it's public.
this is publicly owned. It's funded by tax dollars.
So
It is,
then
right?
You
So
can walk right into a jail.
And there's secured areas. Like you see that says, attention, this area is closed to all visitors. If I go back there, that's trespassing. This is a public lobby where the public can come in and seek services.
Family members.
Seek
and
information.
employees.
If I want to get information, I can come in and get information. Yeah, that's part of my business.
What do you need?
Part of my business is to see how you act at work, take pictures of the beautiful lobby, get some public information, and then be on my way. That's business. That's business. Why don't you? That should have been the first question you asked me.
What do you need?
I don't want to deal with you. You're rude. And you don't seem educated on your job. You don't know what's public, what's private. It's a public lobby.
What information do you need, though?
You're good.
So, recording sign?
Yeah, no, but pretty much you can stay in this lobby area. Just inform them, yeah. Can't be anywhere else. Okay. But the healthcare facility.
Actually, I informed you of that. I had to remind you of that. I don't intend to go into any restricted areas. I have to check in and be a visitor to pass that area. That door has a sign. It's locked. This is a public lobby. The public has a right to come in. Ma'am, who are you?
I'm the administrator of the nursing home. This isn't public.
No,
You need to go.
New York City Health and
so-
Hospitals isn't public?
You need to go, sir.
Sir,
Please don't yell at me.
You need to go.
if they ask you to leave, and you gotta go.
Why would they ask me to leave a public building?
It's not a
Alright, they
public
ask you to
building.
leave, you gotta go now.
We're not.
What's your name, ma'am? So I can hold you accountable
No, sir.
for soliciting a trespass from public?
You gotta go, sir.
Absolutely
Hold on,
incorrect.
I'm asking her for
You need to leave
information.
now. Thank you.
What's your name? Identify yourself so I can hold you accountable.
She doesn't have to. It's not part of her policy. You know, obviously we have to if you ask for it, but
And
she
you're
doesn't have to.
and you're enforcing her feelings? She could say anything. She could say I don't like him. Ask him to leave.
She works
That doesn't
here.
mean that
She
doesn't mean
works
anything.
here. She allowed to ask you to leave.
Why are you yelling? De-escalate.
No, that's how.
You're trained
That's
to
how
de-
I talk.
Okay.
That's how he talks.
All right. Then I was mistaken. I
how
feel like
I
he was
talk.
yelling at me.
No, that's how he
Right.
talks.
People talk
She
differently.
could be mistaken. He's a peace officer.
Okay, so
He's a peace officer.
Okay, can you
and
let me
you're-
finish?
I didn't even get to talk.
All
You
right,
cut
let me
me
finish my
off.
word first, all right?
Go ahead, and I hope you give me the same
She works
respect.
here as administrative.
Okay.
She is allowed to call the police
Yeah.
for somebody that's not welcome.
Okay.
If she thinks you're not welcome, she can ask you to leave. And
Okay.
if you don't want to leave, we can assist you to go.
Okay. She also can be wrong. This
If
is
you
public.
think-
Can I talk? I'll let you
All right,
talk,
go,
right?
go.
She also can be wrong, right? She could be miseducated,
Finish
right?
what you're saying. Let's finish what you're
All right,
saying.
but listen to what I'm saying. Listen to understand. Don't just
Finish what your word
listen
first,
to
then I answer
respond.
you.
Okay? She could be wrong. He's a peace officer. He said that as long as I'm in this public lobby of this public building, I have a right to be, have a right to record my peace officers in the course of their duties through the Right to Record Act, as long as I'm in a public area. That's the law. I can watch him while he's at work. This isn't a private facility. This is New York City owned and tax funded. That means I have a right to come in and conduct business. My business is investigative journalism. She's wrong.
Okay, you
And
done
you
talking
should,
now?
you should know
You
the
done
law.
talking now?
You should
You
know
done
the law.
talking now?
Can I speak to you? You seem a little bit more cordial. I feel like he's escalating the situation. Did anything I say?
No, I hear.
It's
I'm all
reasonable,
about,
right?
you
Because
know,
this is-
protecting everyone's rights. You know, everyone
Yeah.
has the
Well,
rights to
it seems like he's trying to violate my rights right now.
No. So
If I was being disorderly, if I was somewhere I'm not allowed to be, then you can ask me to leave a public building. But if I'm
Absolutely.
peacefully exercising my rights, why would you ask me to leave a public facility? I'm not being disorderly. I'm not yelling. I'm not cursing. I'm peacefully taking pictures of the public information that's around. That means I have a right to be here through the law, and you're supposed to uphold the law, not somebody's
We
miseducation.
are upholding the law, but you gotta also understand that we're not in charge of this building. We're going based off of the best
The
information.
government is in charge of this building.
So we're going based off of the best information available. If she's saying that it's privately owned,
How is New York City, why would they have a New York City Health and Hospitals police officer stationed in a private facility? Past there is private. Past there is visitors only. This is a
I
public
hear you.
lobby.
I hear you.
So how's it private? You think New York City is going to have health and hospitals police in a private facility? No, this is tax funded.
I hear you.
You have no business here.
I'm telling you, you've seen my business. I told you what I was going to do. 2 minutes ago, I said I'm going to take some pictures, then I'll be on my way. I'm almost done with what I'm doing. I don't see what the big issue is. I'm not gathering nobody's medical information. I'm not even recording private people. I'm recording peace officers. And I'm doing it peacefully.
But they're in the background.
It's all right. I could blur faces.
Counter makes one thing crystal clear. Many employees, and even officers, continue to misinterpret HIPAA and the right to film in public. HIPAA protects medical records. It does not forbid citizens from recording in public areas of government facilities. That right is safeguarded by the First Amendment, allowing everyone to monitor and document public officials while they perform their duties. The lesson is simple. Know the law, use your camera with confidence, and never let someone's discomfort override your constitutional rights. In a parking lot outside a DMV facility, a citizen begins filming to ensure transparency. Almost instantly, he faces fierce opposition. Security and police insist it's private property and demand that he leave. The man pushes back, declaring, "This is public property, funded by taxpayers, and no one can ban me from being here." What unfolds is a tense confrontation over the right to access government facilities and the limits of police authority.
Give me your name. Clover with what company? Clover.
Okay.
With who?
With the company that sent us out here, sir.
Which company,
I give you shit, so can you head off the property now? So give me your name and birthday date.
Shut up.
That's what
you idiot.
Retard.
You're a you guys
I
are
have your ID.
you guys are an idiot.
This is the trespassing I'm trying to issue you, but you're refusing. So I'm giving you a verbal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You got that?
Here, I got a verbal for you. F off.
That's fine.
Here's a visual.
Hey.
Okay.
Merry Christmas, Happy New
Yeah.
Year.
Suck.
Happy holidays, man.
Clown.
Don't come.
Cause it's public property.
I know, but they work for this property.
They work for this property?
They work for the whole...
Right, but this is public property.
So the whole parking lot is public property, but if they actually leave, you have to leave.
Well, no, this is public property. You can't get trespass from public property without...
You can, because it's part of Sierra Pacific property.
No, that doesn't work that way, Counter. I promise you. Look into it.
So Sierra Pacific property contacted them to have you removed from the property.
Right.
They own this property. They don't own inside of the
But when you rent to a government facility like this, access to this becomes public property. This is treated just like DMV in Pittsburgh, same deal. So
and they work at DMV as well. So if they contact you at the DMV property, as long as they're in the parking lot and they tell you to leave and you return, you commit a crime of trespass.
they can't make you leave public property.
They can.
They
It's owned by
cannot.
Sierra Pacific.
Okay, it doesn't.
signs are right
Honestly, Counter, call supervisor because that's not the way it works.
We could take you to the supervisor, but they want you to go to jail. They're requesting you be arrested.
Right.
Not gonna say. But I'm gonna call a supervisor for you.
Yeah, because that's not the way it works. This is public property. Look at it, fired up, huh? Yeah, this is public property, even though it's owned. I understand that happens all the time, but when they rent this facility out, okay, to a government entity, this becomes public property. You can't be trespassed for public property. Your taxpayers, your tax dollars, my tax dollars, everybody's tax dollars pays for this. We own this. You know, right now. Wait, same way you're renting a house works. If you rent somebody a house, essentially they own that house from that time. You can't just go in anytime you want. There's a lot of rules. It's treated like they own the house. Like you wanna get physical, huh? You're just dying for confrontation. Wrong one. So SR Global, and both for SR Global. That's so funny that they give these guys badges. It just sends the wrong message, man.
So are you trying to talk to them or something?
No, I was just doing like I did over at the police department. Look at how many cars in here. These guys trainees. Look at here. This is a trip anyway. I just want to point this out. Look at every car in this parking lot is backed in. Isn't that crazy looking? Is that why they do it? Because I asked one. I got this radio in my ear. But look at all the illegal tints on all these cars. Hey, Towner, I gotta go. Am I detained?
Yeah, you're not free to go.
I'm not free to go?
He's not coming.
Okay.
No, it's no disrespect to you.
Okay.
He's not coming because, so this is private property.
So you guys gonna give me a trespass warning?
And it's gonna be another report for me.
That's fine.
So here's the issue. They don't want you to come back to the property. And they're gonna trespass you. You have your trespass? They're gonna trespass you.
Okay, but this is public property.
This applies to Sierra Pacific.
Okay, who gave you that, or who was the sergeant?
Thompson.
He doesn't know better than that.
So this is, you can argue it.
I will. No, yeah, that's what I do.
But you can't come back here.
Okay. Now, just to be clear, that is what? Whose property are we talking about?
This parking lot belongs to Sierra Pacific. All of that property belongs to Sierra Pacific.
On the opposite side of the road?
Both.
Okay,
So
all the way down?
This Outback Steakhouse, the one across the street, they own both of these properties.
Okay, so all the way down to the Antioch side? Okay. Look, this guy's got some strike. Lombardi, this is public property. What's that?
Not during the academy.
Not what?
It's the academy's property.
Right. Government property. Public property.
No, but this area here is part of the shopping center.
Right. But this is a government facility.
Yeah, but it's not owned by them.
It doesn't matter. They rent it out to a government facility, just like renting a house out. This is now public property. Yeah, this is public use. We paid tax dollars to be able to come here. I need to be able to go in there and get record requests, all kinds of things.
That's a police department.
Yeah, absolutely can. Our tax dollars pay for that. Come on, are you guys for real? What? Are you a sergeant?
No.
Yeah, this is. I mean, just do what you got to do. I mean, but this is, you guys are making a mistake. This is public property. This is tax funded public property.
This is owned by.
Doesn't matter. DMV is the same way. That DMV parking lot you can't be trespassed because it's a government facility. Same way, like some of these places they put DMVs will be in the mall. That's public property. During the hours of operation of that is public property.
I think the building is, but they have rules and regulations because it's the police.
That's not laws. Rules and regulations aren't laws.
Like, I understand where you're trying to go with it.
Uh-huh.
I disagree with you.
Okay.
Hey, Mr. Bart.
Yeah.
This is Jeff.
Uh-huh. From Sierra Pacific.
Yes.
Okay.
He manages all their commercial properties, so I'll
Okay.
let him explain to you
Okay.
about this.
Yeah, so this is all private property.
Right.
So since we've been having numerous issues.
But this is a government facility.
No, it's
Just the building.
That's not a government facility?
We own the building. We own
That
the land.
that is not government
We
facility.
own the land. We own the
Okay,
building,
I understand all
we
that.
own everything. We
Okay.
own all of this.
But do tax dollars rent that?
We own this property. This is
I
private
understand
property.
that 100%. Okay. I own a home that I rent out.
But
Okay.
in order to get to this area, you have to go on to private property.
Correct.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
you're
that's called public access
So you're trespassed from Sierra Pacific property.
from government
This whole
property.
area. For this
So
whole area.
so I can't utilize this government installation anymore that my tax dollars.
Closed anyway. You wouldn't be able to access it.
Let me finish though. It doesn't matter what it is or if it's open or closed, okay? My tax dollars pay for this, okay? So you think that because they rent here from you guys, you get to control the public's access to this government facility.
There is no public access inside there. You try to go in there, the door's closed.
This right here
This is
could be public access.
This is
I
private
can,
property.
I can go up to the
Listen,
door here.
This is a back and forth
Okay.
that's unnecessary.
You're right. Well, to be honest with you, sir, I came here to see this facility, take some pictures, and cut. As I was leaving, he pulled in, stopped me, okay, got really ugly with me, okay. Yeah, just a second though. Yeah, I'll have to get it out of my car, but you know, come on. Stopped me from leaving and then tells me to leave. At which point they contacted the police So I stuck around because I don't want to act like I'm fleeing the scene. I was done here.
There's been multiple situations where you've had altercations with our security.
With your security?
Yeah,
Never.
We have multiple properties in Pittsburgh.
Right.
And there's been other issues. You've also had problems with Officer Towner on our properties. You've had problems with Officer Powell on our properties.
Who's your properties? What are all these properties?
Highland Square Shopping Center, Atlantic Plaza, Oak Hill Shopping Center.
Okay.
I mean, half the shopping centers in
Right.
Pittsburgh.
I'm everywhere, man. I'm everywhere.
I'm aware.
Okay.
Yeah, so any property that Sierra Pacific Property owns, you are formally trespassed from all those shopping centers.
Okay.
So I just want to let you know so that you're aware.
Okay.
So if one of my security guards sees you on the property since you are trespassed, they have the right to detain you on site for trespassing. Then police will be called, and then they will do with you whatever they have to do with you.
Well, I'm going to talk to my attorney.
That's fine. You can. I mean, we have
no,
attorneys
nothing
too,
against
and-
you. Yeah, nothing
Yeah.
against you. You're just doing your job. I get that. But I think there's an understanding of the law here that needs to be clarified. Oh, let me grab it. And the real rub here is the reason these guys came in so hot is because these bozos didn't like me out here taking pictures of their cars. So they panicked, and instead of coming out and dealing with it themselves, they call these two. We'll see.
This is private property.
I understand that, sir. I understand that 100%.
When someone's taking pictures on private property of people's license plate, we have a right to figure out what's going on and to remove
All
people.
right.
If
Oh, I got all the plates all the way around, both sides. Look at this. Check this out. These guys are trainees. Look at how many cars in here have illegal tint on their windows. I mean, I thought the Pittsburgh police station was bad. Look at this. The new wave of cops coming in. There's 75% of these cars have illegal tint.
I'm sure there's a place in the police department that you could file a complaint for all
Well,
that.
these guys aren't cops yet. Just showing the up and coming. Okay.
So you're going to be trespassed from all Sierra Pacific property, okay? That includes Century Plaza. Delta Gateway is where you're at now.
Dude, wait a minute. Look at all these. There's no address. I don't know where the hell these places are, man. So I can't use the DMV anymore? Is that what you're saying? I can't use the Pittsburgh DMV. Are you kidding
enter
me?
the property to go into DMV.
Right.
Yes.
So you're saying this piece of paper that you're going to give me prevents me from using government facilities located here.
Yes.
Oh, so I can't go to DMV. Who's the rank here? You?
That?
You're the highest rank here?
Yes.
Right now? You are right now, aren't you? Who is? Oh,
I don't have any rank.
you have a corporal. You have 2 stripes. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. What is it, 4 years each, huh? God damn, it's a lot of service, dude. You think that that's good? That I can't go to DMV now? You really think that's? Do you? I know, but they just said. Sorry, got it backwards. They just said that I can't use DMV in Pittsburgh now. Do you really think that's true? Do you think that's true?
I don't know what you want me to say, sir.
I want you to say what you think. Do you think that's true?
I'm not in a position to say what I think.
Do you think that? that's a good one. I'm gonna give you that one. Hey, do you really think that you guys can come here and trespass me here and tell me that I can't use DMV in Pittsburgh? That's insane. That doesn't even make sense. At least, okay, you don't have to trust me today. I'm not gonna call you out. Go do the homework counter. I want you to be a better cop. This is. I'll go to court. It'll all go away. Okay. You too. I mean, come on. You got some stripes. I don't know if you know if that's or not, but if you don't, if you think that's right, that's gonna hold up, go do some homework and see that that's not. You can't do that.
This encounter highlights a serious issue. Too often, officers and security fail to distinguish between private property and public access areas leased by the government. When a facility is used to serve the public, citizens gain a lawful right to access it. By law, you cannot be banned or trespassed from public property simply because someone doesn't like it. The lesson is clear. Know your constitutional rights, stay calm, and be prepared to defend them against wrongful enforcement.